Okay guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to do it quick. I just want to show you something. Let's see something from here. Let's create a JFrame. Leave it like this. So this is our JFrame. Let's run. And you can see anytime you run, it always run from this top corner. But today I'll just show you this simple code which will help you to run from the middle. So let's close it and go back to. So this is our design. Click on source, and after this image component, just add this this code, set location to relatively to. Just double click. Now this is very simple. So let's right click and run again. Very simple. So this is it. I just show you how you can set your JFrame into the middle of your laptop. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.